Imagine creating an AI video like this in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how I made this video.
Cooking is easy. You just need confidence. And snacks. Lots of snacks.
Good morning! Ready to shine?
I'm still cracking up from yesterday.
I don't want to do this!
Wait, we're friends, right? We don't hurt each other! You don't understand, it's how we survive! There has to be another way!
Why are you always so chill? Because I don't split under pressure.
Watch my moves! Hey! Save some talent for me!
Welcome back to DenzyMedia, where I show you simple tech and AI tutorials anyone can follow. In today's video, I am going to break down step by step how I made this AI video from image generation to video generation in some few steps. First, I started with a simple idea. I saw this 3D animation vegetable viral video on TikTok, so I took a screenshot and I brought it to ChatGPT. I gave ChatGPT this prompt. I want to create this kind of images and transform them into videos in an AI. Help me with 5 different image prompts and their respective video prompts. Now, ChatGPT gave me 5 different scenes to create images and video out of the concept I gave it. So the first one is about carrot and tomatoes cooking scene, broccoli and mushroom dancing, strawberry and banana friendship, corn and pepper chef scene, and avocado and egg breakfast scene. Now, after I got these prompts from ChatGPT, I then went ahead and said, add what they will say in the video, because I don't want to generate audio separately. So I asked ChatGPT to add what they will say in each scene. I then move ahead and go to this AI tool where I generated all the scenes one after the other. And this AI is called Arena AI. This AI will give you quality images without the watermark. So I came to Arena AI and pasted the prompt one after the other, and then it generated all the images for me. What it does is that it will generate 2 images at a time, and you have to choose the best for yourself. Now, when you look at this one, when it first created this image, I said regenerate because I found out that this is not what I want. I regenerated it again. I also tried to generate same images in Google Gemini with the same prompt. So here are some of the images I also generated in Google Gemini. So it depends on which one you like. After I've generated all my scenes images, I now move on to an AI video generator. To turn your images into videos, I came to Google Flow, and if you are new to Google Flow, you have to create an account. So you click on Create with Flow, then you click on New Project. I then went back to my ChatGPT and I copied the prompt of that of avocado and egg breakfast scene. I copied the video generation, that prompt, and the dialogue. I then came back to Flow and I click on the start frame and I uploaded the picture of avocado and egg as a start frame, and I pasted the prompts I copied from ChatGPT. Now I'll then go ahead and click on next to generate my video.
Good morning! Ready to shine?
I'm still cracking up from yesterday.
So to continue with the same scene, I copy the dialogue and select extend, and I pasted only the dialogue and click generate. So after generation, this is the result.
Yesterday.
I don't want to do this!
Wait, we're friends, right?
I still copy the dialogue and I pasted it here. With the same scene, just make sure extension is selected Then you click on generate, and this is the result.
We don't hurt each other. You don't understand. It's how we survive. There has to be another way.
After generating all the videos, I then came to CapCut, and then I merged all the scenes into one video and exported it to my computer. So here is the final result.
Cooking is easy. You just need confidence. And snacks. Lots of snacks.
Good morning! Ready to shine?
I'm still cracking up from yesterday. I don't want to do this.
Wait, we're friends, right? We don't hurt each other. You don't understand. It's how we survive. There has to be another way.
Why are you always so chill? Because I don't
And that is how I created this AI video from the scratch. If you find this video helpful, you can like, subscribe, and share to other people who are interested in AI video generation.